National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, southeastern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, northern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, central Gallatin County, Boone County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dillsboro, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Damn.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Walton, Rising Sun, Oak Brook, Burlington, Union, Dillsboro, Shawnee, Patriot, Wilmington, Pleasant, French, Ediston, Hartford, Fairview, Bear Branch, and Aberdeen. This includes Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 72 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIH 42